haven't uploaded as much. What have I yeah, I just been like really tired at work, but all in all, I've been doing really good. I've been taking care of my skin. If you don't follow me on TikTok, I've been doing like my nighttime routine, and my skin has gotten better. I have a pimple here, but Foggy wants to come up. Want to come up? I've been using this brand called Sokoglam, and I had a bad hyperpigmentation situation like 3 weeks back. I think because the weather changed and it's been really weird. But my skin has gotten brighter, and I will say I drank more water and tea during that time. A lot of lemon, because lemon brightens your skin. The skincare line was specifically for hyperpigmentation and brightening your skin, and as you can see here, my skin has improved quite a bit. It's gotten brighter, and it has vitamin C in it, which helps a lot. So I have been really on top of it, and I've been seeing great results. I still use Herb and Eden, don't get that twisted. Right now I'm gonna make a sandwich. So I'm so hungry. I didn't really eat today. I did eat, but it was like really bad. I will be right back. I know I was in the kitchen, but this is what my skin has been looking like. It's a lot more clearer. You guys, I just been so exhausted the last couple days. I'm excited for a couple launches. Victoria Beckham has a perfume coming out, and then we have Kayali with 4 oud fragrances. 4. So I'm excited for that. I just can't believe all these launches are happening, and I'm like, I gotta buy one of these. I gotta buy the launches because they're so beautiful. And I love my perfume, but I could use something a little different. And I love oud. I love fall fragrances too. I'll be waiting for these fragrances. They're gonna launch near the end of the month. Victoria Beckham's perfume is coming out September 29th. And then Kayali's perfumes come out October 1st. So I'm very, very excited for those launches. Right, you guys, so my Amazon package just came. I went ahead and ordered these sponges these are facial sponges. I have my silicone scrub that I've been using. I know I have been using that Sisal wash, but I had to stop because it was a little rough on my skin. So I was thinking maybe that caused my skin to have a reaction, because there was something weird going on here again, like I mentioned. And then I said, okay, maybe I need to not use the Sisal wash. I said, you know what, I'll go back to silicone and use something soft. So this seems pretty soft. I'm a little nervous. We'll see how it goes. I definitely won't be heavy-handed when I wash my face. So I took a shower, and I'm gonna tell you now, do not buy that facial scrub from Amazon. Do not buy it. It literally hurt my skin. It was like washing your face with those scrubs you wash your dishes with. Absolutely not. I felt kind of itchy below, but I was like, you know, I'm just gonna ice my face. So I'm just gonna ice it. Skin Club sheets as well for my skincare. So any excess like water, or, you know, when I wake up like in the morning, I gravitate to these and just wipe my face down with that. I'm going to show you what I do at night now using the Sokoglam Alginous Lip Collagen. I've been using this for a while. I don't put the Alpine. I don't put this after though. I let my lips dry. This is the Vita C toner pad. It has a tweezer here. Go ahead and scrub my face. that's basically what I do every night. I've seen a lot of improvement in my skin, like I said earlier, and I'm gonna try to there we go. Yeah, so my skin has gotten better. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it has gotten way better. I've noticed the weather changed and my skin just reacted. It was really, I just feel like my skin changes when the weather changes. The weather has been so weird. I'll say every single day I carry my Stanley cup. I know you guys remember my tie-dye one. I need to get on that one, but this is the 30-ounce Stanley cup. I carry this with me every single day. I have cold filtered water here every single day, and I cut lemons and limes and I put it in my Stanley cup because I need to stay hydrated, and I lacked water for a long time, and my body needs water, so I've been drinking a lot of water and lemon water, and I've seen drastic results from that. So I'm very happy with how my skin is looking. This is my nighttime routine. I've been loving it, and you guys saw that I used castor oil on my lashes to help it grow. I'm getting back on it, so we'll see what happens. I really hope you enjoyed this little laid back video. I'm sorry if I didn't have enough beauty content, but I did a TikTok like 2 days ago with using rose ink and everything. So I'm on TikTok, Isla's Beauty. Again, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. I love you. And next video, I need to do a beauty video. There's some nice launches coming, so we'll see. I should be heading to Sephora pretty soon, so I love you guys.